So we're going to continue the pistol threat techniques. I have had a question on our Instagram, Ultra Krav Maga UK, saying, well, what professional would let you get that close? And it's a very good question, of course. A professional hitman wouldn't. And if you've got a professional hitman with you, after you, you're dead. And what have you done to deserve that? If they're going to shoot you, they shoot you from distance. We know this. Bang, bang, bang. This is the point of having a gun. But this is a mugging or an abduction, where the objective isn't immediately to take your life. No matter what, bang, bang into a crowd, bang, bang at a person, it's attempted murder. Okay? This is where it's an abduction. They're taking you somewhere, they're mugging you. Of course, if they're mugging you, give them everything they got. If they're taking you and your family somewhere, you may have to act. Then nothing gets more dangerous than a firearm. Okay? Okay, first of all, you have to be submissive. So before we do the fast demo, you have to, there's no point saying, yeah. You have to be submissive. Okay, so let's do it properly. You're being aggressive. Okay? Guys, this isn't a technique where there's a disarm. The best disarm in the world is where the attacker drops the gun, the knife, the weapon. This is a technique where the disarm is smash the attacker into oblivion. The attack will break the thought process they would drop. 90% of you, maybe 95%, don't know how to use a firearm. 95% of you won't know how to use a knife in a combat situation. This is not why we do this. This is not Jason Bourne military Krav Maga for this side. This is self-defense. The best disarm in the world. Forget all these Aikido and all these other interlocks. These guys are experts and are professional. Under duress, when your heart hits 160, 180, 200, your body will only allow you to do gross motor skills. Grabbing, headbutt, punch, kick, big movements, because you're under stress. These little finger locks and all this stuff are great, but they take years and years and years of training. We don't have years and years, I certainly don't. This disarm, this is not a disarm. The disarm is him dropping it. We smash them until they drop. Okay, let's go to it again. Oh my God, where are you taking me? I booted it over there. I booted it so far, I think it's over there. Booted it over here.
I think it's there.
I booted it so far, not even the attacker can get it. Okay, let's do that one more time. Let's do it from behind. Very nice. Okay. There's a couple of things here. I can guarantee you. You get one chance. You'll get one chance. I only reacted when I knew the pistol was touching me. But what about if it's never touching you? Well, it's never touching you, you don't know what you're being threatened with. Okay? You'll look. Tell me not to look.
I look.
You're going to look. It's human nature. Okay? They want to take you somewhere. Okay, I can feel it now. If I resist and be aggressive, he might put his hand. It doesn't matter about his hand, by the way. He can do this hand. This is not a problem. Okay, this is still going slow, but he can start being aggressive, he can be pointing, yeah, okay. So I want to be relaxed. He's just moving me. Okay, please. He's not expecting us to do anything. From here, my arm will go up and I'm now offline of the firearm. I'm offline of the firearm. I step over 180 degrees and come up. Guys, this is really important, this area here. It corrects a kind of vice. Okay? Here, it's not a leverage lock. I want to keep this here. I want to cause some friction. I want to use my weight. Same time, I hit the shoulder blade, or I'm actually the shoulder blade and collarbone. Boom! I'm not hitting the face here. I'm not elbowing because my distance is incorrect. Hitting here. If I break the collarbone, fantastic. And then all I'm doing is locking it in, holding my bicep. Turn around. Here. By pressuring here and lifting here, it makes it hard for him to pull it out. which will be his immediate reaction. Okay? Of course, at some point, if I just dilly-dally, we're pushing, we're pulling, he'll either hit me or just reach around and take the gun. Then you really are in trouble. From here, the key, guys, is this foot. Can you see this foot? The key is this foot. It has to step this far. My hand's already up, off the line of fire. Underneath, press. From here, once it's locked in, I've got a good grip, shin kick to the groin, shin kick to the groin, shin kick to the groin. The only time we stop kicking the groin or knee in the face is when we feel him's gone totally limp. And when he's gone totally limp, we give him another one. Boom! To make sure. Shit, boom! Let him drop. This is one of the rare occasions when you can kick to the head. If he's in any, he should not be in any, thank you, Mike, he should not be in any condition to be able to get up. But he might burn all fours or kneeling because he's fallen. Boom! If the gun's close to him, kick it away and run. Get on your Riddick bones. Get them out of here. From here, thank you, Mike. From here. Over. Locking it in. Striking the collarbone. Lock. Boom. 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 From the back. Lock. Boom. Stabilise. Boom. Stabilise. Boom. Stabilise. Oh, he's going to the floor. Smash him in the knee into the face. He drops to the floor. Boom. Kick the gun away if it's near. Don't run after the gun if it falls over there. Just run. Pistol threat from behind.